Welcome! This video is a crucial guide to the UK Statutory Residence Test, a core component of the ACCA ATX syllabus. Understanding residency is fundamental, as it dictates HMRC's authority to tax an individual's income. The golden rule: UK residents are taxed on worldwide income, while non-residents are taxed only on their UK source income. Before we address residency, let's recall the assumed knowledge from the F6 syllabus, which is essential for ATX. This includes the core principles of income tax, capital gains tax, inheritance tax, corporation tax, and VAT. A solid grasp of these topics is non-negotiable for passing the ATX exam. Now, let's break down the Statutory Residence Test, or SRT. This is a precise, three-stage process that must be applied in order. Stage 1 covers the automatic overseas tests. If an individual meets any of these, they are automatically non-resident. This includes spending very limited time in the UK or meeting the strict criteria for full-time work overseas. Stage 2 is the automatic UK tests. If an individual doesn't meet the overseas tests, you check these. Meeting any condition here, such as spending 183 or more days in the UK or having your only home in the UK, makes you automatically resident. Stage 3, the Sufficient Ties test, is the tiebreaker for complex cases. First, determine if the individual is a leaver or an arriver. Then, count their connections, or ties, to the UK. These include family, accommodation, work, a 90-day tie, and for leavers, a country tie. The number of ties needed to be resident depends on the number of days spent in the UK. Let's consider a worked example. Imagine a leaver who was previously resident. They spend 60 days in the UK during the tax year. According to the SRT tables, a leaver spending between 46 and 90 days in the UK needs 3 ties to be considered resident. Let's say this individual has a family tie, an accommodation tie, and a 90-day tie. That's 3 ties. Therefore, they are UK resident for the tax year and liable for tax on their worldwide income. It is critical to apply these rules methodically, as this is a common exam topic. Mastering the SRT is essential for your ATX success.